Hi, my name is Rebecca Osorio, and I'm going to be showing you how to solve this problem. Here, the problem reads twice one number plus 3 times a second is 1, and twice the second plus 3 times the first is 9. And it's asking you to find the numbers. So how do we do that? Well, here you can tell that we have two equations, so we're going to go ahead and write it out. So here it says twice one number, so let's say the first number is going to be x, and so here we're going to put twice one number, 2x, plus 3 times a second number, which would be y. So here is 3y equals 1. So here's the 1. Now that's our first equation. Now we have to do the second one, which says twice the second number, which would be 2y, plus 3 times the first is 9. I'm sorry, plus 3 times the first number, which would be 3x, since the first number is x, and equals 9. So now down here, as you can see, here 2x is 2x is above 2y and 3y is above 3x. So what I did was basically I switched the bottom one around and to make it so they can be canceled out. So here, to cancel out the x's, I multiplied the whole top, this whole top equation by 3 and the whole bottom equation by 2. And I brought it up here, and for the first equation I got 3 times 2x is 6x plus 3 times 3y is 9y equals 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. Then I went ahead and did the second equation, which is 2 times 3x is 6x plus 2 times 2y is 4y, and then that equals 2 times 9, which is 18. So now that we have that, here we have 2 6's, so we can go ahead and cancel it out by subtracting. So here we subtracted and canceled it out, and then we did the rest subtraction for the rest of the problem, and 9y minus 4y would be 5y equals 3 3 minus 18, which is negative 15. So here we have to get the y by itself, the y variable by itself. So we divide it by 5, divide this by 5, and we end up with y equals negative 3. Now, we're still not done because we know the y value but not the x. So we went over here and grabbed one of the original equations, and we are going to substitute the y with its value in this problem, which is negative 3. So here I just rewrote the problem, and then here I substituted the y with negative 3 and multiplied it out. So 3 times negative 3 is positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And then we have to get the x variable by itself, so I added the negative 9 to the other side of the equal sign and ended up with 10. So then the 2x is still, the x is still not by itself, so we divide it by 2, divide the other side by 2, and we end up with x equals 5. And this is the solution, which is 5, negative 3.